Good morning. Stellar results by the banking major SBI helped counter bad news on the economic front, wherein the IIP data fell and food inflation spiked. One good thing is that the trading volume has picked up in the last 2 to 3 trading sessions. Also, the Indian story still appears attractive with no let-up in FII inflows, though the domestic funds continue to circumspect. Today's start will be tepid at best as global markets are still fragile amid lingering fears of the economic recovery having lost some steam. US stocks fell overnight owing to Cisco's cautious outlook and an unexpected rise in weekly jobless claims. European markets managed to do slightly better. The Asian markets are mixed with Japan down and China a bit choppy. The broad range for the Nifty remains between 5,300 to 5,500. But lately it has been stuck between 5,350 to 5,500. It may take a while for it to break out of this range. Delivery volumes in recent showstoppers have been falling. Many stocks are hitting all-time highs even as the main indices are in a phase of consolidation. Also, small cap stocks and mid cap stocks have been hogging the limelight for quite some time now. Given this backdrop, one should stay alert as the market is unlikely to move decisively in either directions in the near term. There is no denying that the long-term outlook for India is upbeat, but the market may find it tough to head higher without any stop given the uncertain global situation. The results to be declared today are Adani, Cipla, Deccan Chronicle, Patel Engineering, Pipavav, Arcom, Suzlon, Tanla and Wockhardt. FIIs were net buyers of Rs 2.18 billion in the cash segment on Thursday provisionally, according to the NSE website. Local funds were net sellers of Rs 6.56 billion. In the F&O segment, they were net buyers of Rs 8.12 billion and foreign funds were net buyers of Rs 1.92 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, according to SEBI's website. The Indian rupee bounced back from its lowest levels on Thursday, tracking a recovery in local equities, but the euros fell against the dollar, limited the local currency's advance. FIIs were net buyers of Rs 11.3 billion of domestic equities so far in 2010. India's IIP rose 7.1% in June from a year earlier, significantly than the local market expectations of 8.4%. The other news for the day is food inflation shot up again to double digits to 11.40%. June IIP at 7.1% is below estimates. Indirect tax collection in the first 4 months of this financial year jumped 46% to Rs 962 billion. ITBI Bank has increased retail deposit rates by 25 to 75 basis points across different maturities. Arcom plans 25% stake sale to raise 90 billion rupees. The telecom regulator said that mobile number portability will be implemented nationwide by the 31st of October. Maruti to launch automatic transmission variant A-Star. RBI approves merger of Bank of Rajasthan and ICICI with effect from the 13th of August 2010. Parliament approved a bill for the government to reduce its holding in SBI to 51% and help it raise capital. The SBI top management has signaled that a hike in the prime lending rate was round the corner. Vedanta in talks to buy into Cairn India to fuel new business. Moving on to the recommendations, the technical calls are a buy on Biocon. We recommend traders to buy the stock above levels of Rs 336 for a target price of Rs 355 and a stop loss is replaced at Rs 328 on on-log positions. And a buy on IOC, we recommend traders to buy the stock above levels of Rs 383 and a stop loss is replaced at Rs 375 for a target price of Rs 402. Traders can add in fresh long positions on the close above Rs 390. The derivative strategies are long sale August future in the range of Rs 193 to Rs 194 for a target price of Rs 203 and a stop loss is replaced at Rs 188. And long Jindal Steel and Power August future in the range of Rs 657 to Rs 660 for a target price of Rs 677 and a stop loss is replaced at Rs 647. Thank you and have a great day ahead.